Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do a melting basket for this next week. Now these are just kind of some add-ins. I just did a warm review, so I didn't get comfortable before I started. That's bad. Okay, so I just basically pulled a few things that I kind of want to like dig into or that I haven't dug into in a while. The first one being is Dancing with Grandma Violet. And this one I went through last year and I really loved it. It's Candied Violets, Blushing Peaches, and Vanilla Custard, and I really liked it. If you like violet scent, you would probably like this. The peaches just adds a nice little touch to it. That one I did really like last year, and I think I was kind of hoarding it. So I also have, I need to try some of that Sunday Shop Jackie O and Surrey Cafe, and that is strawberries, whipped cream. It's either cotton candy frosting or cream cheese frosting. Marshmallow Man, birthday cake Noel, cotton candy, oh gosh, and fresh picked strawberry. Okay, anyway, something along those lines. I didn't like Sunday Shop, like I didn't love it, so I want to try that one. This one I believe I've had before, but I'm going to try it again. Going Hollywood, Jackie O, Margot's Ballerina Clouds. I mean, like, I think I've not had it before, but I think I've melted it before. I can't remember if I like that one or not. That one was strawberry, oh, coconut cream pie. I can't even read my own writing. Marshmallow, zucchini bread. Oh, Jackie O. Oh, marshmallow birthday cake. Noel. Coconut marshmallow cream pie. Okay, I don't know why I'm struggling so much, but anyways, there's that. Jeez. Okay, and then next I have Chef Wendell's Cinnamon Squares Apple Cinnamon Ice Cream Man Vanilla Wafers. I've been wanting to try this one. This is one that my friend Candy had kind of talked me into buying. Oh, that one smells so good. I remember smelling this one and it was almost in my de-stash pile, and then I was like, no, I'm like, you need to try that one because that one does smell really nice. So Cookie Monster's Haze is one I haven't warmed in a while, so I pulled this one out. This one's kind of, I've got it in the bag, so that's why it looks all funky. Grease is the Word. This is one that I just want to try, even if it's just a little bit. It's cake donuts topped with vanilla icing and sprinkles. Now this is not like a for sure basket, like I'm gonna warm everything. I might pull some other things that I feel like warming or whatever. This is Lemon Sugar and Love Spell. I was trying to pull some of my older Rose Girls out. I don't actually know how old this one is, but I feel like I've had it for a while. There's some nasty looking bags in here that you're gonna be like, yeah, that looks pretty old. I have just a small bit of this Miracle on 34th, and I have a backup of this, so I felt like, you know what, you should use that. I really like Miracle on 34th. I have a de-stash box of VCS that I'm trying to get through, so I pulled some from there. This is the Evil Queen. Not sure the scent notes on that one, so I'll have to find out. And then, oh, I had 1 cube of Scandalously Talking Flower Bomb, so I thought I'd go ahead and use that. Margot's Pearls. Okay, had to take care of the dog situation. He's getting very fussy in his old age. So Cloud 9, American Cream, Pink Sugar, and Zen. This looks old, so I pulled this guy. Still smells good. I don't know how I'm gonna like it or not. I have Margot's Pearls and a flower. Let's see, I have, okay, this is crazy. This is from Porch. Oh gosh, I don't even know. Where is the scent? Clover and Aloe. This scent is gorgeous. It's like a manly scent. It smells so good. I can still smell it very strongly in here, so I have a feeling the scoopable's still gonna work. You can see where like I was trying to dig out, so I'm gonna try this. It still smells good. I've been hanging on to it. I was like, you know what? I need to put it back in the bedroom. I bet it would smell amazing. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to, let's see. I'm going to try, somewhere I have a birthday cake scent. So I'm gonna try to dupe Goodnight Moon, and it's pink sugar peppermint. So I have pink sugar, sweet lavender, peppermint, and I'm sure I have a birthday cake somewhere. I just don't know where. So I'm gonna try to dupe Goodnight Moon and see how I do. Because I was talking in my last video about potion packs and that kind of thing. Also, what I'm gonna try to do is, I love Cheshire Cat from the Bathing Garden. That's like a lemon meringue cheesecake with raspberry glaze sauce or something. So I'm gonna do sweet lemon confection. I'm gonna try cream cheese frosting, although I don't know that cream cheese frosting really goes with cheesecake. Well, actually it does. Cheesecake, cream cheese frosting. It might work. I'm gonna do raspberry sauce and then either Gilligan's Brew or marshmallow smoothie, not sure. I'm gonna see if I can get that scent, like a lemon meringue with raspberry sauce. I think that sounds really good. So I also grabbed a Blue Ribbon cookies from Sugar and Spice. I'm just trying to warm through Sugar and Spice. I'm not gonna like sit here and be like, okay, I need to, you know, keep hoarding it or whatever, because it's not gonna stay good, and I don't, you know, whenever she opens, she opens. Parlor Magic, which is berry creme brulee and zucchini bread donut. And then I have Summer Breeze, which I don't remember. I don't think I have a scent notes on that. And then Saltwater Taffy, which is getting really discolored. I don't know why. It's not anything with the vendor. I think it's just maybe at some point the sun hit it, or I don't know. I want to do some mixes with this. I saw a mix somewhere with Saltwater Taffy that I want to try, but I have to see if I have the right potion packs or mini melters. And then I have Soothing Lavender Dreams, which I've had this for a while. Kind of bored of this one. I like it, but I'm tired of it. I'm trying to remember what it is. It's sweet lavender, zucchini bread, something else. Can't remember right now. There's just something that's a little bit weird to me in it. I like it, but I'm just like tired of it. Okay, so that's it. That's what I'm going to add into my melting basket. There's not that much. Like, I don't plan to get through these bags. I just plan to do a little bit here and there. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. This was just kind of a quick pick, like a quickie. I just grabbed some things really fast just to see some things that I wanted to warm through. And I might end up pulling more. So if I do, I'll kind of do like maybe another video, like maybe a midweek melting basket if I find I need some more variety or something, or I don't know. Okay, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.